Before I explain you our Bali retreats, I would like you to close your eyes and imagine this. Imagine you wake up with the sunrise. You open up the window and you see incredible rice fields, beautiful, huge, green. Then you go downstairs from your villa and you jump into the swimming pool. You feel connected, you feel calm, you feel great and happy. And plus, you're surrounded by 16 like minded souls from all over the world with whom you feel trust, confidence, and you feel that something is shifting in your body. You feel you can fully express your emotions. You feel your body and mind 100%. Sounds like a dream? This is what actually experiencing people who are coming to our dance, yoga, spirituality, and adventure retreats. And my name is Daria, and I'm a retreat organizer, dancer, professional dancer. I have my own dance school in Paris, and I created several businesses and projects from scratch, from zero. And also, I do yoga since my 14 years, so for more than 14 years now, yoga and meditation. I also done a professional yoga course with the Texas University. And I love all the activities I do, but retreats are special because they help other people to really transform. And my retreats are not only about yoga, about dance, about spirituality, it's a blend of the activities that can really transform your body, mind, and soul. So, what is included in my retreats? Actually, we have plenty of activities. We will do solo dances like high heels, man or lady style, hip hop, reggaeton, something completely different that will help you to get out of your comfort zone. We will also do couple dance classes like bachata sensual, like contemporary dance class. Contemporary couple class is more about dance therapy. This is a class where people feel different. This is a moment during our retreat where we express most of our emotions. Basically, I use breathing technique, I use trusting exercises when you can totally let go with a partner and also let go some of your past traumas, difficult experiences from your past, and really feel a connection with a partner in order to feel the connection with yourself. It's a moment where people cry, laugh. This is a very, very, very powerful moment during the retreat. Of course, we will also do every morning yoga, meditation, breath work. And we will also do self development workshops that are going to help us to define our goals on 3, 6 months, or 1 year. And we'll create a really concrete plan on what you have to do in order to achieve your goals without the stress and anxiety that we may feel when we actually define the goals. And we will also do a biohacking course, which is going to help you to understand how to eat the healthy food without dieting, without the stress on your body, how to sleep well, how to feel restored after the sleep, and also on how to reduce your daily stress and anxiety in your everyday life. And you will ask me, Daria, but why dance? Because for me, after years of experience, only dance can help you to connect fully to your body. Because when you dance, you can express your emotions on a different level. And together with meditation, breath work, and this mindfulness work, it can really give you another result, another transformation. And also people sometimes asking me, but how can I connect with strangers? How can I feel these deep connections with people who I see for the first time in my life? The beauty of the retreat is that you can come alone, but leave the retreat with a family. Why? Because have you ever sat in the train with a stranger and tell him your whole life that you would never do with the people you know? I'm sure it has already happened to you or something similar. Why? Because when you meet the people you don't know, they don't know your life, they don't know your past, so you don't have to pretend. You can just be there in the present moment. And that's what you experience during the retreat. You have no judgments, you only have the present moment and people with whom you're sharing this present moment. They're really themselves. And this is something incredibly special to these retreats. And my retreats are different because people come from different ages from all over the world. And who is this retreat for? This retreat is for you if you crave for meaningful connections with people. Also, this is for you if you need a break from your everyday routine to reset your energy. Also, this is for you if you don't have time or energy to organize a safe trip on the other part of the world. I'm going to do everything for you. You don't need to take care of everything. We will also do external activities like surf, we'll visit rice fields, we will go to the waterfall, and we will do the ceremony of purification with a local person. All of this is organized by me, and you just come to Bali and everything is done for you. And also, these retreats are for all levels. You don't have to be intermediate or advanced in yoga and dance. If you've done it, it's great. It's going to push you on the next level. If you have never done it, it doesn't matter, because this will help you to really discover something new. And probably after the retreat, you will continue doing it. So, if all of this speaks to you, fulfill the form below. It will redirect you to the call with me, to book a call with me, because I always try to have a personal call with each participant in order to tell you, is it a treat for you or not? Can it bring something into your life? And plus, knowing each person helps me to create a very personal approach and great atmosphere for my retreats. And thank you very much for your time for watching this video. I would love to see you during my next retreat in Bali from 31st of May until the 6th of June 2025. Hope to see you soon and share incredible energy together.